Hello and welcome to a basic crossplay makeup tutorial again. This time I'm using Human Zelgatus from Slayer's Evolution R as an example. So first you want to put your hair up in a wig cap, and yes, we're finally not in my bathroom and my hair is purple. Forgot to mention we're not in my bathroom when I first did Zelgatus. So anyway, you want to do primer and foundation. Oh, and by the way, there's a reason I put on a lot of foundation. Because with cosplay, you'd rather wear a little too much makeup than too little. If I just put foundation on my face as dots, I would probably suck at it anyway. And next you want to powder. But don't swipe, just pat it so you don't smear your foundation. Because that ended up happening to me. Now I'm taking a skin toned eyeshadow. And you can wear eyeliner if you want with your crossplay, but I chose not to do it because with this cosplay, it makes my face girly, and that's obviously not what we're going for. And you want to blend it. Now I'm doing that eyebrow thing again, where I take white eyeliner and fill it in with a light shade. I'm only doing one eyebrow in this video and not the other one on your left because my wig hair will cover it. And I'm using a creamy lavender eyeshadow. Don't do what I did because throughout this video, this eyebrow is going to look white. This cream eyeshadow did not want to get on my face. Again, use a regular eyeshadow. And now we're finally going to contour. Contour your jaws to look more masculine. And you also want to do your cheekbones. I chose to do it the wrong way because if I did my actual cheekbones, the wig would have covered it. And wigs tend to cover most of the contouring, which is why I don't usually contour. I stuttered. I contoured the wrong side of my cheeks, obviously. You want to do this next to your cheek line. That's what I'm calling it. My chopper plush just fell. If you heard something fall in the background. And you want to contour your nostrils. Oh, and also don't forget to put foundation on your lips and blend it out with a beauty blender. Oh, and I forgot to mention earlier, I would contour my chin, but I forgot, and it didn't occur to me at the time when I was recording this. If you're wearing a turtleneck costume like I am, and it won't, forget it. Next is the wig. But before you're done, you want to put eyeliner on your eyebrow bone, which I'll get to in a second. And there, you are an anime boy. See you next time with another cosplay.